In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. This is useful for keeping your financial records accurate and making sure you know which invoices have been paid. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Sales. From the drop-down menu, select Invoices. You'll now see your Invoices page with different tabs. Click on Awaiting Payment to view all your unpaid invoices. Browse through the list and find the invoice you want to mark as paid. You can identify it by the customer name, invoice number, or amount. Once you've found the correct invoice, click on it to open it. Now, look at the top right corner and click on Add Payment. A payment window will appear showing the payment amount and the bank account where the payment was received. Review the payment details and make any necessary changes. Once everything is correct, click Add. The payment will now be recorded and the invoice will be marked as paid. It will also move out of the Awaiting Payment section. And that's it. You've successfully marked an invoice as paid in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.